Now we want to take it to the core a little bit more. We're going to work on the abdominal muscles, right? So let's go ahead, bring the arms down alongside of us. Bring those knees up. Now we're going to do the knee tucks to the right and the knee tucks to the left. Okay, ready? Begin. Tuck the knees to the right and out. Tuck them to the left and out. There we go. Concentrate on pulling the core muscles right down the center of the core and then the sides. Center of the core and the side. Center of the core and the side. Good. Work on your breathing. Maintain that you're really utilizing those abdominals and not overdoing the legs. Last few. Hey. And last couple. And rest. There we go. There we go. That's excellent. We got the sound. We got the video going. All right. All right. So you ready? One more. Let's do one more time on those abdominals to the right and to the left. So here we go. We're going to start here. We're going to pull the knees in towards the right shoulder and back out. And to the left shoulder and back out. Right, out, and left. And focus on down the center of those abdominals. Look at the ceiling, right? Just keeping your eyes up. And focus on pulling the abdominal wall in to get the legs to come in. Don't overuse your hips. Concentrate on that abdominal wall contracting and stretching. Right in there, feel it. Work with your air. Keep the air moving in and out. Last ones. You can even speed it up a little bit for a little bit more functional use of those abdominals. And rest. Nice job. All right. Let's go for a nice abdominal hip stretch by dropping the knees to the left. Keeping the shoulders down. Get a few breaths of air there. And then we'll switch it over the other side. And the knees to the right. Get a few breaths of air there. And then back to center. Excellent. All right, now we're going to work on our core for our hips. So we're going to move our hips out about feet out about shoulder. Sorry. We're going to move our feet about hip width apart. So 8 to 10 inches. Put the feet. Lift those hips up. And now we're going to march up with the knee. Using that left hip to lift it a little bit. And use that right hip. Lift this leg up. And down. And lift. And down. Lift. And stretch. Good. So we're moving the core using that abdominal wall to bring that hip in and down. Up and in and down. Nice job. And one more on each side and down. Excellent. Grab the right knee and bring it in. And then we'll switch it. Grab the left knee and bring that one in. And we'll let that down. Very good.